Thank you. So we started our journey 2 years ago with one mission to create a gateway to Web3. Today, if you will analyze crypto space, you will see the same pattern. First of all, it's too complicated. Second of all, it's too fragmented. And the Web2, if you will think about gateway to Web2, first of all, it's of course Google. Second of all, you will think about, okay, apps. Then we'll talk about App Store and Google Play. For Web3, there is no gateway. How people are discovering Web3 apps, how they're using them. And the question is, okay, they can use exchanges, but in Web2, you're not using NASDAQ to find products. So we decided to build this gateway. We launched our public beta 3 months ago, and our challenges that we want to address is, discovery, of course, interoperability. So we have many chains. We want to allow users to move freely between different chains and move their assets. And of course, community. Today, every project, beside building their product, they need to build their community. So we are unifying this process. So you as a team, you need to focus just on the core. You're building your product, and then you need to list your application in Magic Store and get an access to the community. And then you have a huge suite of tools that you can use in order to reach this community. And we're right now, after 3 months in public beta, we see that we actually successfully answering these challenges. So right now we are focused, our revenue streams, their advertisement, exactly like Google PPC model. You can target any specific users, and here the case, we are collecting data about a real use cases. We know that the user using applications, participating in different events, and based on this data, we are creating user profile. So our advertisers, applications can target the users based on our unique set of data, affiliation. So we are allowing our users to monetize their networks by distributing different offers created by the project listed in the store. And the last but not least, DeFi aggregation. We are giving access, simple access, to all the projects' DeFi solutions in one simple suite. Behind the schedule, so right now we have 350K registered users, 3,000 registered affiliates, 800 plus listed applications, and $150,000 in revenue and more. And this is just through the course of last 3 months. Heart of our ecosystem is our token. In most of the projects that I know, the token, it's not really connected to the business of the company. So in our case, SQR token is a backbone of all our activities, started from advertisement, affiliation, etc. All the ad models working through our tokens. We are unlocking all our revenues on a daily basis for 12 months, creating deflationary model. All the users obligated to hold our tokens in order to get access to all the tools and all the rewards for our users that we are actually distributing them today. They're also in our tokens, so our users keeping active all the time. And right now we see our retention rate after 30 days is exceeding 35%. So the team right now, we are 36 people spread it all around the world. Our team is consistently growing. And here you see the team of the leaders, including my partner Benjamin with 3 exits, marketing domain. Steve Cho is ex-App Store. Alexander managed one of the biggest development team in one of the Russian tech companies. And so today we raised $6.4 million. We are raising more 7.65. Our lead investors in the first round, Binance, Republic, with participation of Crypto.com, DAO Maker, Hobby, KuCoin, Gate.io, JSR, and more. Thank you.
Thank you very much for this amazing, inspiring presentation. Let me ask you the question from FD Capital. So what are the existing constraints of a Magic Square, and what sorts of efforts would be necessary over the upcoming 6 months to effectively address and surpass these limitations?
So one of the goals is to do the TGE, and the limitation is market conditions. So in order to empower the ecosystem, we need our token to be live. Right now, all the rewards distributed in the form of gift cards through our collaboration with Binance, but it's not optimal for us. We want to release our token in order to unleash the power of the ecosystem. And it's fully actually relying on the status of the market. Right now, it's stagnating. We're waiting for the news from the SEC regarding the ETFs, and we think that it can give like a lot of positive energy to the entire sector.